Okay, guys, today we're going to look at three different ways for me to multiply polynomials. We just finished a second ago looking at adding and subtracting polynomials, so we're going to be combining that now with multiplication. And the first method that we're going to do is using the distributive property method. So we all know what the distributive property is. Like if I take 3 and multiply it by 2x minus 4. The distributive property states that I would take the 3 and multiply it through both terms. So I'm taking 3 times 2x, and then I'm taking 3 times 4. So I would get 6x minus 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this idea when we're multiplying two polynomials. In this case, I have two terms or two binomials which I'm multiplying together. So what I want to do is I want to distribute the m through both of those, and then I want to take the 4 through both of those. So what we're going to do with the distributive property is we're going to split the first binomial, okay? So we're going to split the first binomial, okay? And then take each term and multiply it through the other terms. So what I'm doing is I'm taking m and I'm taking 4 and I'm splitting them up into 2. So I'm taking m and 4, and what I'm doing is I'm multiplying it by 6m minus 1. So I'm taking m and multiplying it by both of those terms, and I'm taking the 4 and multiplying it by both those terms. Okay? So when I do that now, I'm just going to distribute. So I'm taking m times 6m, and then I'm taking m times 1. I'm taking 4 times 6m, and then I'm taking 4 times negative 1. So m times 6m is 6m squared minus 1m plus 24m minus 4. So I have 6m squared, and now all I'm going to do is combine like terms. My middle two terms are like terms because they both end in m. So I'm going to combine those together, so I get 6m squared plus 23m minus 4. So all I did was split the binomial into 2, okay, and took each of those terms and multiplied it by the other 2 terms. So let's just look at another example. So I'm going to split 5v plus 1, okay? And I'm going to take 5v through 2v minus 8. And then I'm going to take 1 times 2v minus 8. And distribute through the parentheses. So I'm taking 5v times 2v. And then I'm taking 5v times negative 8. I'm taking 1 times 2v, and then I'm taking the 1 times negative 8. So when I do that, I get 10v squared plus negative 40v plus 2v minus 8. And I'm going to combine like terms. These two are like terms, so I get 10v squared minus 38v minus 8. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do is try the next few questions for me, and you will see the answers on the next video. Thanks.